How to fix Instagram live option not showing. If you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe.
Now, recently, Instagram just implemented a new feature where you can just really easily go live regardless of what sort of profile you have. So the first thing I want you to do if it's not working is go to your app store, or if you're on Android, go to Google Play Store. Then on the top right, click your profile icon, scroll down and see if Instagram needs any update. If it does, go ahead and press update like I just did with Grok and just wait for the update to finish. Once it's finished, then go ahead and open up your application, try going live then. If that still doesn't work, what you want to do is go to the bottom right where it has your profile icon. On the top right, press those three lines. And then once you're here, what you want to do is go ahead and scroll down under who can see your account. And you want to make sure your account privacy is public and it's not a private account. If it's a private account, it's not going to let you. So just bear that in mind. Now, if you're a public account, what you can also do is scroll down and then you want to go to account type and tools and just make sure you don't have any restrictions or anything like that. If there were any restrictions, they would show right there. And then, yeah, you should be good to go to use live. And all you got to do to go on it is press this plus icon on the top left and it can, you can just start live there instead of choosing reels or anything else. And yeah, it's as simple as that.